Sales teams are putting in more hours and making more calls than ever before. Yet across the industry, win rates are stalling because the infrastructure built to support them is actually slowing them down. Reps are losing huge portions of their day to manual data entry, trying to piece together incomplete CRM records, the customer relationship management databases meant to track interactions, and guessing which leads actually deserve their attention. This friction is operational chaos. It acts as an invisible tax on your sales force, actively draining away the hours they should be spending on live conversations. To scale revenue without burning out your team, you have to strip away that administrative burden and give them their time back. In this diagram, AI functions as an invisible operational support layer, constantly running beneath the surface of the relationship building process. Its entire purpose is to clear out those specific bottlenecks. It handles the repetitive research, data routing, and hygiene tasks automatically. What AI actually delivers is capacity. It buys your team the protected time they need to execute the complex commercial judgment, negotiation, and trust building that machines simply cannot replicate. We can see how this works by mapping it to a standard deal lifecycle. Looking at this timeline, the first stage we have to optimize is prospect research and qualification. Instead of a rep spending 20 minutes manually hunting down company background, the system instantly compiles enrichment data, website activity, and firmographics into a single clean account brief. It then evaluates those profiles objectively. By analyzing true engagement and intent signals, the software scores leads based on actual data rather than a rep's gut feeling. As a result, speed to lead drops to near zero. Your team knows exactly who to contact first, ensuring they only spend energy on targets that are mathematically primed to engage. As we move into the middle of the funnel, the focus shifts to outreach and live discovery. Notice how the system pulls in past interaction data. It uses that context to draft highly personalized first-touch emails and relevant follow-up suggestions, queuing them up for the rep to review. During the actual calls, the AI acts as a silent partner. It summarizes the conversation, highlights specific client objections, and logs concrete action items. This guarantees airtight follow-up consistency. Opportunities stop falling through the cracks, and reps drastically reduce the administrative hours they usually spend prepping between meetings. Finally, we reach the bottom of the funnel, deal management and the proposal stage. Watch how those conversational notes are handled. The AI autonomously turns audio and text transcripts into structured, interlocking database entries, completely eliminating the chore of manual CRM writebacks. For complex deals, the software indexes the specific requirements captured during discovery against a library of pre-vetted corporate responses, assembling the first draft of a request for proposal. The team spends their time on final strategy rather than document assembly. This produces 100% CRM completeness for leadership visibility and hits turnaround times that were previously impossible. To make any of this work, you have to establish what we call the automation boundary. As you can see in this matrix, we strictly separate tasks into two categories: autonomous actions on the left and human-assisted actions on the right. Administrative chores like meeting summaries, CRM field updates, and initial lead scoring sit entirely on the left. The system handles these instantly and autonomously. Warning tone. But anything that requires commercial nuance, like sending external prospect emails, navigating negotiation logic, or adjusting final pricing, must stay on the right. These actions trigger a hard gate, requiring explicit human approval before they move forward. Respecting this boundary separates mature, high-performing sales organizations from those that damage their client relationships through sloppy, unsupervised automation. At Kira, we treat AI as an integrated part of your sales operating model, built on a governance-first philosophy. We bypass the hype-driven rollouts that try to fix everything at once. Instead, we work with your team to identify a single, narrow workflow bottleneck that is actively slowing deals down. Before launching any pilot, we rigorously validate your data readiness and establish strict review rules to ensure absolute control over what goes out to your clients. By measuring hard operational results on one focused use case first, you create a safe, profitable blueprint to eventually scale this technology across your entire global sales force. Stop losing valuable selling time to administrative chaos. Book a free consultation today and build a smarter, faster workflow with Kira.